Doggo and Pupper Save the World. Story is by the New York Times best-selling author Katherine Applegate, illustrated by Charlie Alder. Doggo and the Pupper. Table of Contents. Chapter 1. Wonderful. Hero. Drumming. Chirp, chirp, chirp. The baby bird. Waiting. Music. Chapter 1. Wonderful. In a sweet spot of sun, Doggo doze. It means he's sleeping in a fine patch of dirt. Pupper dug. Life was good. The cat is drinking something. Doggo is sleeping. And Pupper is digging. Life is good. A little bird flew by. Her soft nest held 2 babies. Soon they will fly. I wish I could fly like that bird, said Pupper, or like Wonder Dog. I have not met that fellow, said Doggo. He is on TV, said Pupper. He is not afraid of anything, even giant squirrels. Well, Pupper, what is Pupper's wish? He wished that he could fly. Pupper worried a lot about giant squirrels. I guess he's thinking too much about the giant squirrels. That's why he's afraid and he's worried about the squirrels. I will never be a hero, said Pupper. I worry too much. Even heroes worry, said Doggo. Do cats worry? Pupper asked Cat. No, she said. It is a waste of time. We also do not fly. That's good advice. Worry. Because what did Cat say? Cat says, it's a waste of time to worry. And I agree. Chapter 2. We are going to the movies, said the humans. Be good pets. Doggo found the zapper. The humans laughed. Sure, they said. Watch TV. Good luck finding shows to see. Cat made popcorn. Pupper picked a show. It was called Wonder Dog Saves the World. I want to be a hero, said Pupper, but I need someone to save. Do you need any saving, Cat? Not at this time, said Cat, but thank you for asking. Doggo picked the next show. It had loud music. Cat covered her ears. When I was a pup, I was in a rock band, said Doggo. It was called the Beagles. Is that so? Said Cat. I played the drums, said Doggo. Would you teach me to play the drums? Pupper asked. Doggo gave Pupper 2 spoons. Lesson 1, he said. Drumming is hard work. Oh, said Pupper, then I would rather be a hero. Doggo smiled. That is hard work too, he said. Chapter 3. Drumming. Pupper drummed all night. He drummed all day. He drummed all week. Do you like my music, Cat? He asked. There are many kinds of music, said Cat. I like the quiet kind. Great news, said Doggo. Tomorrow there will be music in the park. A band is going to play. Will they have drums? Asked Pupper. Every good band has drums, said Doggo. A baby bird flew past. Look, said Pupper. She is learning how to fly. The other baby was still in the nest. I wonder if he is scared, said Pupper. He will fly when he is ready, said Doggo. Maybe he is worried about giant squirrels, said Pupper. Maybe he just needs some peace and quiet, said Cat. It looks like Pupper is afraid of hard work. Pupper is also worried about giant squirrels. He also wonders if this little bird is afraid of flying. And Cat is telling Pupper that sometimes all you need is just peace and quiet to do the things you want to do. And then you'll be able to do it. Chapter 4. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Pupper could not wait to hear the band. At last, it was time to go. Hurry, Doggo, he called. He's excited. Cat, are you coming? Asked Doggo. It's my nap time, said Cat. It is always your nap time, said Doggo. Napping is my only job, said Cat, but I do it well. Well, cats love to nap. Doggo and Pupper started out. Flit, flap, zoom. The mother bird zipped over them. One baby followed her. I wish I could be that quick, said Doggo, but these days I am slow. I am fast, said Pupper. Stay near, said Doggo, or I will worry. You worry too? Pupper asked. Only about important things, said Doggo. Well, this is a good reminder that don't worry about the little thing. If it's very important, then probably you want to be responsible and remember the things. And sometimes it's okay to worry just a little bit. They turned a corner. The breeze was soft. That means the wind felt good. It smelled like ice cream. It held happy voices. Pupper heard a new sound. A tiny chirp, chirp, chirp. Something was under a bush. Ah! Did giant squirrels live under bushes? What do you think? He's thinking about giant squirrels. But is it? Let's find out. Chirp, chirp, chirp. It was a scare sound, not a scary one. Pupper peeked. So Pupper decided to look inside. What do you think it is? Is it a giant squirrel? But does it chirp, chirp, chirp? Under the bush was a tiny bird. He looked very worried. Chapter 5. A Baby Bird. Are you all right, baby bird? Pupper asked. The baby blinked. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Well, look at that, said Doggo. The other baby. Do you remember the baby that flew with the mommy? Let's take a look at that page. This one. But this one, it's a purple one. Yep. It's the other baby. Why is he all alone? Asked Pupper. He is called a flagling, said Doggo. He is learning how to fly, but his mother is nearby. I cannot just leave him here, said Pupper. The music is about to start, said Doggo. I know, said Pupper, but he might be worried about giant squirrels. Pupper is being considerate. He's thinking, what if the giant squirrel hurt the little bird? Chirp, 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 said the baby. Someone needs to save this bird, said Pupper, and I am that someone. Chapter 6. Waiting. Doggo and Pupper sat near the bush. They were very close. They were close to the baby bird, but not too close. They waited. They were quiet as clouds. The breeze carried new sounds. The band was playing. They wanted to go to the park to listen to music, but they thought maybe it's more caring to just sit here and wait with the little bird so that the little bird's mommy will come back. Pupper heard drums. We could still go, said Doggo. Wonder Dog would not leave, said Pupper. The baby bird flapped his wings. He hopped, but he did not fly. They waited and waited and waited. The band stopped playing. I am sorry we missed the music, said Pupper. There will be other bands, said Doggo. Very sweet. They rather miss the band because what do they want to do? They rather stay here and be with the little bird and protect the little bird. Swoop! The mother bird flew down. The other bird followed her. They all chirped. They all flapped. They all hopped. And then at last, they all flew. Chapter 7. Music. Bees buzz, leaves flutter, squirrels chitter. They were not the giant kind. Cat was right, said Doggo. There are many kinds of music. All you have to do is listen. Listen to nature. If you go outside, you will hear some beautiful music. Doesn't have to be the band. Pupper found some sticks. He and Doggo drummed along with the day. They made a fine band. Finally, they walked home. The birds were waiting in a tree. I still want to be a hero like Wonder Dog, said Pupper. Chirp, 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 said the birds. You are off to a very good start, said Doggo. Doggo is reminding Puffer that, hey, you want to be a hero like Wonder Dog. Well, you're off to a very good start. It means you're doing it. Just do it a little bit at a time. Help others. Pupper's Guide to Being a Hero. How can you be a hero? Well, be helpful. Imagine how others feel. Listen well. Be a friend. Don't give up. Try kindness. Share what you have. Stay safe. Shake things off and make someone smile. That's what you can do if you want to be a hero. The end.